a bustling cityscape with wild animals in the background. Introduction to urban wildlife conservation. Wildlife faces challenges due to urbanization. The importance of biodiversity in cities. Urban habitats are crucial for survival. Challenges of habitat fragmentation. Pollution impacts wildlife health. Community efforts in wildlife conservation. Urban planning can support wildlife. Green spaces enhance urban ecosystems. Educating the public about local species. Success stories in urban wildlife recovery. The role of citizens in conservation. Sustainable practices in urban living. Create wildlife corridors in cities. Protecting endangered urban species. The impact of urban noise on animals. Engagement of local authorities in conservation. Final thoughts on urban wildlife conservation. A call to action for the viewers.